I came here basically just to work as a teacher and a foreign manager, but then I found out about the advantageous policies for small businesses like myself, for foreigners to open a business. So I inquired about it, and I couldn't believe how easy it was and how quick it was. And the government was really supportive and got behind foreigners and entrepreneurs. Policies here were so advantageous that I decided I could open my own company very easily. So it was very streamlined. They have great benefits such as tax policies and a bright future for the free trade port. The success is increasing, seeing the progress, the rapid progress of the free trade port and all the policies. I want to stay here for as long as possible. I definitely think that Hainan is only going to continue to grow and become more open to the rest of the world, and that the Hainan Free Trade Port is going to be of huge significance worldwide. So that's going to, of course, be very beneficial to me, and this place is the future, not only for China but for Southeast Asian nations, the whole world. I think this will be the hub of business and free trade in the future.